Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Well, today we want to show you can make yourself a nice, lovely spinach banana. Oh my days, this is a proper drink. Anyway, this is a simple drink, guys, and I'm telling you, spinach and banana goes really well because spinach do good for you and banana do have a lot of vitamin in it. So anyway, we're going to show you how you can make this at home in your spare time. All right, first thing, get 2 pieces of ice and put it straight inside of the glass like that. Basically what we want to try not to do is we're not gonna put any kind of sugar. All we're gonna do is simple put a little bit of honey inside of it like this. Because we all know that honey and banana goes really well. We're gonna get fingers of banana. Break it up. That's 1 fingers of banana, that's a medium banana. Get some spinach and put it straight down inside of it like that. Little bit of water, not too much, roughly about 1/4 glass of water, not too much. Cover it. Because I'm using the good old smoothie blender, and basically we're just gonna blend this for roughly about 4 to 5 minutes. Roughly about 4 seconds. All right. Nice and lovely. I just finish it and give it a shake. Healthy drink. Pour straight inside of my glass. Oh man, look at that. That is beautiful and really nice. Fantastic, guys. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. We've got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. As you can see, spinach with banana and honey. See you next time, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show.